Today's devotion comes from 2 Peter chapter 1, verses 4 through 8. For by these he has granted to us his precious, magnificent promises, so that by them you may become partakers of divine nature, having escaped the corruption that is in the world by lust. Now, for this very reason also, apply all diligence in your faith, supply moral excellence, and in your moral excellence, knowledge, and in your knowledge, self-control, and in your self-control, perseverance, and in your perseverance, godliness, and in your godliness, brotherly kindness, and in your brotherly kindness, love. For if these qualities are yours and are increasing, they render you neither useless nor unfruitful in the true knowledge of our Lord Jesus Christ. Peter sat with Jesus. He walked with Jesus. He knew Jesus. He was and knew what Jesus said. He was there when he died on the cross, and he was there when he appeared after the resurrection. His faith was solid, and he wants us to have that same faith and divine nature. And just what is this divine nature? Number one is moral excellence. In our world today, it isn't easy to live a moral life. Number two, knowledge. The knowledge of God is foolishness to our world. Number three is self-control. Again, in our world, we see very little self-control. Number four is perseverance. Today we are programmed to be in a hurry, and we want instant answers. Number five is godliness, a trait that the world will notice. Number six is brotherly kindness, another trait that we see very little of in our world, or what we do see is done for recognition by the world. The seventh is love, a love the world does not understand. So if we take on this divine nature that God instills in us, the world will notice. Go out today and witness as to what a great God we have.